Hello students, welcome to Vintu Maths classes. Your question is, find the 13th term in the expansion of this binomial, and your binomial is 9x minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to power 18. Now we know that to find the 13th term we have to first write the general term of your expansion. Now we know that general term of x plus y raised to power n is t r plus 1 is equals to ncr x raised to power n minus r y raised to power r. So the general term of our binomial will become general term of this binomial 1 upon minus this raised to power 18 is t r plus 1 is equals to 18c r x. What is your x? That is 9x raised to power 18 minus r. And what is y here? This is minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to power r. Okay, now we have to find the 13th term. So 13th term is equals to t 12 plus 1. So we are going to substitute r is equals to 12 here. So 18c12 9x raised to power 18 minus 12 is 6 and minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to power r. R is 12 here, and that is equals to 18 factorial upon 12 factorial into 18 minus 12 6 factorial, and that is equals to 9 raised to power 6 into x raised to power 6 into minus 1 raised to power 12 is 1 only, 3 raised to power 12 and root x raised to power 12. Okay, and this will be equals to 18 factorial upon 12 factorial into 6 factorial. Now 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 3. Okay, so 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3, 3 6 the 18, this can be written as 3 raised to power 18. अब ये 3 raised to power 12 का minus 12 कर दो आप, and in x your x will be power 6 तो है, और this is 12 divided by 2 that is 6. So 6 power आपकी cancel हो जाएगी. So your answer is 18 factorial upon 12 factorial 6 factorial into 3 raised to power 6, and this is your answer.